If you're looking for the best project management tool for your team, you've probably come across Asana and Microsoft Project. But which one is actually better for teams? Stick around because the answer might surprise you. First, let's talk about ease of use. Asana is known for its clean interface and intuitive drag and drop features. You can set up projects, assign tasks, and track progress without a steep learning curve. Microsoft Project, on the other hand, is powerful but complex. It's built for detailed project planning, but unless your team has a dedicated project manager, it can feel overwhelming. Next thing, let's compare collaboration. Asana is designed for teams that need to work together seamlessly. It has real-time updates, comments, and integrations with tools like Slack and Google Drive. Microsoft Project is more structured, which is great for high-level project managers, but can slow down teamwork since it lacks the same level of real-time collaboration. The third thing is flexibility. Asana lets you choose how you view tasks, whether in a list, board, or timeline. It's adaptable for different workflows. Microsoft Project is mostly focused on Gantt charts and traditional project scheduling. That's great for planning large-scale projects, but can be rigid for teams that need a more dynamic approach. The fourth thing is pricing. Asana offers a free plan with basic features, which is perfect for small teams. Its paid plans scale with more automation and workflow customization. Microsoft Project, however, has no free plan. It's entirely subscription-based, and costs can add up quickly, especially if you need advanced project tracking features. Lastly, integrations and ecosystem. Asana integrates with hundreds of apps that teams already use. Microsoft Project, while part of the Microsoft ecosystem, is primarily built to work with other Microsoft products. If your team relies on non-Microsoft tools, it can be limiting. So, which one is better for teams? If you're managing a complex, enterprise-level project with strict scheduling needs, Microsoft Project could work. But for most teams, especially those that need a balance of flexibility, collaboration, and ease of use, Asana is the clear winner. That said, after testing all of these myself, I found a project management tool that's even better for teams. If you want a platform that's easier to use, more flexible, and has powerful collaboration features, check out the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out.